Each addiction and client is different, and this means to treat a dependency effectively, a rehab program must provide multiple options so a client can have the treatments that will work best for them and their needs. Bayview Recovery provides a comprehensive array of substance abuse treatment programs at its Tacoma, Washington location. Alcohol substance abuse. Alcohol dependency is tragically common, in large part because alcohol is so easily accessible and part of the fabric of many social gatherings, whether it's family and friends or work-related. You might have an alcohol problem if you have one or more of these symptoms: an inability to curb drinking, loss of focus or interest in activities, withdrawal from social situations, unpredictable, violent, or extreme behavior. Because of alcohol's prevalence and the relatively high risk of relapse, you will need professional help to overcome alcohol dependency. Also, you will need a stable, long-term aftercare plan to ensure you stay sober. Rather than a burden, programs for recovering alcoholics can be a place to get much-needed, judgment-free support from people just like you and their loved ones. Benzodiazepine substance abuse. Ativan, Valium, and Xanax are relatively well-known drugs used legitimately to treat anxiety and insomnia. Their easy access and powerful effects make them easy targets for abuse and addiction, however. By depressing the nervous system, they can help bring a sense of calm and ease to anxiety sufferers, but the same effects of the drugs are highly desirable to those who have no medical need for them. For people who take these drugs as prescribed, there is also the risk that they might solve one problem but create another: dependency. There is good news though. A medically supervised detox coupled with comprehensive, individually selected therapies can be highly effective in treating benzodiazepine dependency. It can also create long-term strategies to manage users' underlying need for the drug so that they can break free. Opioid substance abuse. Opioids, which have legitimate medical uses, are at the center of a national epidemic. Like the other narcotic drugs from which they derive, opioids are both highly effective painkillers and highly addictive, and many individuals who begin using them through prescription can quickly get hooked. Unfortunately, short of a professional addiction treatment, there is no easy way to get out of an opioid dependency. Drugs like OXYCODONE and HYDROCODONE often frequently become gateway drugs to other forms of narcotics. These are commonly available illegally when you can no longer rely on prescription versions to continue your drug habit. Heroin and fentanyl. Heroin and fentanyl rank among the most dangerous drugs, and addiction, abuse, and relapse can easily lead to an overdose and sudden death. Opioids like heroin and its close street counterpart fentanyl both produce intense highs which users want to repeat. To sustain your previous high, however, you will need to take increasing amounts of the drug, but taking even slightly increased dosages can result in an overdose. This is especially true of fentanyl. If you or someone close has a heroin or fentanyl dependency, seek medical treatment from an addiction treatment center. Bayview Recovery is committed to providing its clients with personalized treatment that will address their addiction with carefully chosen pathways based on their personalities and lifestyles. Our treatment professionals will spend considerable time with enrollees during the intake process to get to know them and understand the issues they're facing so they can get the right treatments quickly and begin the healing process immediately. Bayview Recovery has helped countless individuals leave drug abuse behind and find long-term wellness again. Call 855-478-3650 for more information. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.